Hello everybody, welcome students. Today we are going to be looking at how to talk about the future using will. To start with, here we have a dialogue that we are going to use as an example or introduction. What will you do when you finish school? I will open an ice cream shop. I love ice cream. Will you sell pancakes? No, I won't. I won't mix things. It will make it more complicated. So now, let's look at how to make sentences, how to create sentences using will. It's very easy, easier than with other verb tenses. We first have the subject, and then we add will, and finally the verb in its base form. For the subject, we can add will to all of them. I, you, he, she, it, we, etc. We don't have to make any changes. The same for the verb. We don't have to make any changes to the verb. We use it in its base form. Here we have an example. I will visit my grandmother. So here we have the visit. We don't have to do anything to it. So for negative sentences, we do exactly the same, but we add will not. That is contracted to won't. So if we want to make a sentence in the future in negative, a negative sentence in the future, we just add won't. I won't go to the school trip. So now, if we have to make a question, as with any other verb tense, we start with the auxiliary, in this case will, then the subject, and then the main verb, in this case in its base form. The example, will you go to a summer camp this summer? And then we can answer with a short answer that will be yes, I will, or no, I won't. Finally, what do we use the future with will for? Basically, we use it to talk about the future, mainly to make predictions or to speak about our intentions for the future. For the first case, we have this example. In the future, all cars will be electrical. So this is a prediction about the future. And the second one day I will study medicine. In this case, we have an intention or a plan for the future. Okay, and before we finish, please answer these two questions in a piece of paper and bring them to the next lesson. Question 1, with what personal pronouns do we use will? Question 2, what do we use the future with will for? You can pause the video if you need to, and when you're done, I'll see you in the next lesson.